Well, good Tuesday, folks. We have a few clouds out there, but overall a pretty good-looking day, really, across much of the region. High temps today in the mid to upper 80s. Humidity not too bad. High pressure in control. But to the south, we do have a tropical system that is churning. Invest 92L could become buried later on this week. 70% formation in the next 2 days. As the storm system enters the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, favorable storm fuel. When you get water temperatures 80 to 85 degrees, of course, that is perfect conditions or a perfect breeding ground for a tropical system by Tuesday night out over the Gulf, and then by Thursday night knocking on the door of New Orleans. Biggest threat overall to the Gulf Coast. Yes, we'll have some wind and some storm surge, but it's going to be some heavy rain and the concern for flooding. Now, these totals overdone in New Orleans, but I do think many spots could see 5 to 10 inches of flooding rain. Around here, no worries for your Wednesday. By Thursday, though, is where we start to change the tide. We will have some showers and thunderstorms to deal with as we get towards the afternoon and evening hours after about 6 o'clock. Some of these storms could be severe, packing a punch with gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Tonight's forecast, few clouds, calm, not too humid. Opposition of Saturn. It is at its closest point in the sky. And the closest point to Earth, by the way. Look east after sunset. Look west by sunrise. With a good telescope, you can see Saturn's rings. Otherwise, you can just look up and you'll see it with the naked eye. This evening, Wednesday looks good. Have the sunglasses ready to go. Tons of sunshine. By Thursday, the storms do return. Showers early on Friday. Weekend looks great with high temps right around 90 degrees. We'll have an update of your forecast tonight at 11. Remember, you can download our free mobile app at WMAR-2 News, available at the Apple and Google Play Store, or look us up at WMAR2News.com. Most of all, make it a great Tuesday, and have fun looking for Saturn in the skies above.